is famous for cowboys and big business. San Antonio, where the Alamo Fortress is. Fort Worth is the real Wild West. El Paso is right on the border with Mexico. Corpus Christi has beautiful beaches and sea turtles. Galveston has fun amusement parks on the beach. Lubbock is the home of rock and roll legend Buddy Holly. Waco is famous for its delicious Dakota pepper. Also, let me tell you some cool facts about Texas. One, Texas is the second biggest state in the US. It's huge. Now, the biggest is Alaska. 2, NASA's mission control is in Houston. 3, Texas has its own pledge. Yep, just like a country would. 4, Dr. Pepper was invented here. 5, the biggest rodeo in the world happens in Houston. 6, the Alamo is one of the most famous historical sites. 7, Texas has more cows than any other state. 8, there are more than 16 million cattle in Texas. 9, the state flower is the blue bonnet. 10, Texas is known for the biggest BBQ cookouts ever. So we will have so much fun here in Texas. Let's go! Let's dive straight into our studies. We have so much to learn. We are going to do some additions. The way I do it is by counting out the strokes and adding them. For example, 2 plus 2 is 2 strokes, 1, 2, then another 1, 2. Then I add them by counting them together, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it is super easy. So join me. Let's add 1 to 5 to itself. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Let's take a break. Friends, that's a lot of numbers and still have a lot to study. I probably will continue this a nearby ranch. Wow, that was fun! Okay, let's get back to work. We still have so much to cover. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Come on guys, let's keep going. Remember, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Let's do one more set. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 5 plus 5 equals 10. I'm going to take a travel break and continue when I get to Austin. let's get back to work. We still have so much to cover. We're going to step up our addition and add 6 to 10 now. Let's go. Friends, 6 plus 6 equals 12. 7 plus 6 equals 13. 8 plus 6 equals 14. 9 plus 6 equals 15. 10 plus 6 equals 16. 6 plus 7 equals 13. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 8 plus 7 equals 15. 9 plus 7 equals 16. 10 plus 7 equals 17. Okay guys, let's take a dance break. Was fun. Okay, let's get back to work. We still have so much to cover. We're almost done. Come on, guys. Let's keep going. I hope you're having fun. 6 plus 8 equals 14. 7 plus 8 equals 15. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 9 plus 8 equals 17. 10 plus 8 equals 18. 6 plus 9 equals 15. 7 plus 9 equals 16. 8 plus 9 equals 17. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 10 plus 9 equals 19. 6 plus 10 equals 16. 7 plus 10 equals 17. 8 plus 10 equals 18. 9 plus 10 equals 19. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Great job, friends! Where should we go next? Please Please like, subscribe, and share